to take care of Snow White.
So I hope all of you enjoyed those quick little spins on Peter Pan and Snow White. Now, as you can tell, we are back on Batuu. We're gonna get a quick little bite in Docking Bay 7. Like I said, we will be back here tonight. Right now, here's the line for the cantina. It is reservation only, like I said earlier, but we're coming in, get a bite to eat. And actually, the line isn't too bad for Millennium. Maybe Ashley will be kind enough to just do single rider. I don't know, but we're hungry. We're gonna eat. We have a funky lunchtime reservation for Carnations at 2:10. There's no way we're going that long without eating. So Docking Bay 7 and Moof Juice is calling our name. So like I mentioned, we are here at Docking Bay 7 and we did get a little lunch, which is the tip-yip salad, the roasted Endorian tip-yip salad. Here's Ashley's Moof Juice. And as I showed you here at the beginning, this is the Batuu Bon, which is a white chocolate mousse, a white chocolate cake with a coffee puree. I don't know if that's the coffee part or if that's the coffee part, but it all looks delicious. Ashley's trying to take it because she wants to eat it all and take pictures for Instagram. But like I said, Moof Juice, roasted Endorian tip-yip salad, which is what I had back in June. So we're gonna share this and the little dessert. Oh, I thought that was a shell. Oh, that is so soft. Kind of. I'm butchering it. And oh, it's just... It went everywhere. Okay. Now let's... Oh, wow. Okay. So now that I absolutely butchered this thing... Fascinating. The outside is like a... It's almost like a marshmallow fluff. It's really sweet, but it tastes a lot like marshmallow. The cake is good chocolate flavor, and it's just a chocolate cake with like a fluff on top. It's pretty much what it is. It says it's a chocolate mousse, or a white chocolate mousse. I don't necessarily believe that. So I guess this is white chocolate, but it seems more marshmallowy than anything else. This stuff right here has no flavor whatsoever. And the puree down here is extremely sweet. It kind of tastes like a passion fruit mango. But the cake itself isn't bad. I actually highly recommend this. Just the texture of this white chocolate mousse is a little bit funky. So Docking Bay 7 was a hit as always and delicious as always. Our favorite menu item is the roasted tip-yip salad. It is roasted chicken, almost like fried chicken. It's really, really good. The Batuu Bon was a little bit more on the sweet side, but it was still good. But this made us think, because this is our favorite eating location or dining location inside of Galaxy's Edge. If you've been here, what is yours? What is your favorite treat, or what is your favorite place to eat here on Batuu inside of Galaxy's Edge? We've tried the spicy popcorn. We've yet to try the jerky. We've heard it's good, but we like Docking Bay 7. So what is your favorite thing to eat here in Galaxy's Edge? And also, what is your favorite thing about Galaxy's Edge? I don't think we've actually sat down and discussed it yet, but what is your favorite thing? Is it the ride? Is it the food? Is it just the ambiance and theme? Is it the characters roaming around? Building a droid, building a lightsaber. It could be any of those things or a combination. But what is your favorite thing? So Ashley just informed me that we're going to go do single rider Smuggler's Run. So stay tuned for that. That's probably one of our favorite things. We love this attraction. We love this land. And guess what? We're coming back tonight.
I have a question.
Okay, Ashley has a question. What's your question?
What's the jerky?
The jerky? It's like a turkey jerky.
Oh, they have that?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's over in Ronto Roasters. Ronto Roasters has the turkey jerky.
Doesn't that have the really long hot dog?
I believe they have the really long hot dog for breakfast.
For breakfast, but what's for lunch?
I have no idea.
Oh, okay. We'll have to
go and check it out. But Ronto Roasters has the turkey jerky, and they say it's really, really good. A little expensive for what you get, but I've heard great things about it. So like I said, we're off to Smuggler's Run because we need to pilot the Millennium Falcon.
Guys, come all the way in and hang out till we call your credentials all
What'd you get?
I got engineering.
Oh, I got a green one.
You got a green one.
All right, pilot, brown. I need one pilot here, one pilot here. Perfect. Flight credentials, please. Happy name. And my two most important people in flight engineers. That flight broken ship, right?
Like the orange credentials.
First time flying for Honda.
Right now, there's the orange credentials. We're going to have a pilot up front, in the middle, and then
This thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium.